Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to add multiple audio tracks to an Instagram reel. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram on your smartphone. Then tap plus sign and select reel. Record the reel using your camera, or you can use an existing video that you would like to share. Tap next on top right. Now tap edit video button on bottom left. Now tap add audio bar. Then select the audio that you would like to add. Tap done on top right. Now you can adjust your first audio. To add another audio, tap add audio. Then select the second audio. Now you can adjust the audio track. From bottom menu, tap add audio again, then select third audio track. You can add up to 20 audio track. When done, then you can share your reel. So these are the steps to add multiple audio tracks on reels. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.